Edges are seized.
This car has been sitting in salt air for over a decade.
She's not rolling anywhere.
I'll call the recovery team first thing tomorrow. We'll have her out by noon.
That's structural. That's expensive.
That's not going anywhere. That's a beautiful weld.
The engine management system is ready.
98% of viewers watch, but don't subscribe. Be part of the 2% tent. Subscribe to Back 2 Road Garage.
She's rough, Arthur. Salt's got into everything. I need to know what happened. 2013, snow, black ice, a roundabout. I spun, the front kissed a barrier.
The bumper is structurally sound, but the paint is compromised. These cracks need to be sealed or they'll trap moisture.
The diffuser is corroded. The edges are crumbling. This is going to need to be replaced. This car has been sitting in salt air for over a decade. Everything is
The
compromised.
reflectors are corroded. The bulbs are probably original from 1991. The wiring is compromised. Full replacement required. That's all 4 headlights. This is the impact point. See the deformation?
12.3 centimeters. That barrier hit hard.
Salt's got into the seam. This is going to be a big job. Fuel cap is seized. The salt has corroded the threads. This is going to take some work to free. Everything on this car is frozen. The door gap is tighter at the top than the bottom. That's chassis flex from the impact. The monocoque has twisted slightly. 2 millimeters difference. That's significant. The window regulator is seized. The cables are rusted. This will need to be replaced. The glass is sandblasted too. These are going to need to be replaced, every single piece.
Edges are seized. The top hinge is worse than the bottom. This will need to be cut out during disassembly.
There's active corrosion in here. See the white powder? The seam sealers failed in here too. That's salt getting into the monocoque bond. This is going to be a big job.
These tires haven't seen air in a decade. Discs are pitted, calipers are seized. She's locked up solid.
98 microns. Factory was 150. She's lost 52 microns of clear coat to UV and salt.
That's not terrible. Some panels will be worse.
Jaguar XJ220, VIN SAJEAEX7AX, 1991, British Leyland.
This VIN has been in my head for 34 years. Battery is completely dead. The terminals are corroded. This battery is from 2013. That's when the accident happened. This car hasn't been started since the day it crashed.
Turbos are seized. The turbine wheels won't turn. The wastegates are stuck open. This engine has been exposed to salt air for years.
Water-cooled intercoolers, twin turbos, 542 horsepower in 1991. This did 217. I have the speedo photo.
We've done the full inspection. The monocoque is twisted. The seam seal is failing. The engine is seized. The suspension is frozen. The wiring is corroded.
She was beautiful once. Silver blue. I waited 18 months for that color.
That's structural. That's expensive.
How much?
This is £100,000 restoration. Minimum. It's done. She's our responsibility now.
I know you'll take care of her.
We will. We'll document everything, every decision, every part. Promise me something. When she's done, let me drive her one more time.
We'll document everything, plays before, during, and after. Every panel, every component, the full story. This is going to be the most documented XJ220 restoration ever.
Good night, old girl. You're going home tomorrow.
The tow point is intact. We'll be able to winch her onto the truck. We'll need skates under the wheels. She's not rolling anywhere.
We'll need the winch truck. The tires are flat. She's not rolling anywhere.
I'll call the recovery team first thing tomorrow. We'll have her out by noon.
I'll be here. I want to see her leave. She'll be out of this barn tomorrow, Arthur.
Front wheels are on skates. The rear will be harder.
Take your time. I don't want any damage. That's it, old girl. You're going home. Easy. Easy. She's coming off.
Interior is rough, but we'll bring it back. Everything is going to be new again. The boot is in good condition considering everything else. The spare wheel is gone. That's a loss. The well is dry. That's good news. No water ingress here.
Monocoque is twisted. The accident damage moved the chassis.
We're gonna need to measure it. Maybe pull it straight.
It's not too bad. We can fix it.
Headlights are shot. The reflectors are corroded. The glass is pitted. These are gonna need to be replaced. All of them. The spoiler is gone. The paint is completely dead. This is gonna need to be stripped and repainted. The whole car is gonna need paint.
Fuel tank is corroded. The aluminum is pitted. We'll need to inspect it more closely. It might need to be replaced. The old fuel is varnished. That's a problem too.
Aluminum is pitted. The salt has eaten into the surface. The ball joint is gone. The grease is dried out. This is gonna need a full rebuild. The engine bay is rough. The turbos are seized. The intake manifold is corroded. But the block is aluminum. It might be okay. Okay, she's going up.
This is the first time she's been on a lift in 13 years. You see this pitting? That's salt corrosion. The aluminum is compromised.
So we need to sandblast it?
Then inspect it thoroughly. If it's too thin, we replace it. That's how you make the call.
This is the accident damage. The barrier hit here. The aluminum is stretched. We're going to need to cut it out and weld in a new section. This is going to be a big job.
There it is, the real damage.
The monocoque is intact. The rest is fixable.
I can't believe I'm working on an XJ220.
Yeah.
You'll get used to it. She's just a car. A beautiful, complicated, broken car.
13 years of grime. Time to see what's underneath. Ready? Let's do it.
The windscreen is sandblasted, but it's intact. No cracks.
Bones are good. I can see it. I can see what she'll be. She's going to be amazing.
The paint is gone. The UV and salt killed it. But the panels are straight. The structure is good.
The boot lid is straight, no rust. The paint is dead, but the metal is good. She's in better shape than I thought.
Now we can really see the damage, but we can also see the potential. She's going to be beautiful. The bones are good. The rest is just work.
She's clean. Now we know what we're dealing with. Tomorrow, we start the disassembly. The real work begins.
98% of viewers watch, but don't subscribe. Be part of the 2%. Subscribe to Back 2 Road Garage.
The grill is pitted. The chrome is gone, but it's intact. We'll restore it or replace it. The grill is the face. We'll make it beautiful.
Bumper is cracked. The paint is gone, but it's repairable. The structure is good. We'll fix it. It'll be good as new.
Boot lid is straight, no rust. The paint is dead, but the metal is good. She's in better shape than I thought.
Headlight pods are out. These are shot. We'll restore them or replace them. We'll see. The windscreen is out.
The door is straight, no rust. The paint is dead, but the panel is good. We'll strip it, repaint it.
Seats
It'll
are
be
out.
perfect.
There we go. 1 down, 7 to go.
The front suspension arms are heavily corroded. The ball joints are seized. The suspension is lock solid. This is going to be a complete rebuild.
Steering rack boots are gone. The grease is dried out. The rack will need to be rebuilt. It's a specialist job. We've got the skills in the team. Here's the salt damage. The hubs are pitted. We'll restore them or replace them. Accessories are ready to come out. 98% of viewers leave without a like, comment, or share. Be part of the 2%.
Bottom end is clean, no sludge. The bearings look good. We'll replace them anyway. It's standard practice. Camshafts are clean, no wear. The valve train is in good condition. That's a win. Compression is good. All cylinders are within spec. The engine is healthy. She's ready to go back in. The heads are ready. New guides, new seals, lap valves. Head gasket is in position, ready for the head. Turbos are getting new cores, fresh bearings, new wheels. Turbo 1 is rebuilt. Turbo 2 next. Rings are going on. The gaps are set to spec. Piston 1 is ready to go in. Piston 1 is in. Heads are ready. New guides, new seals, lap valves. Head gasket is in position. Runout is within spec. 0.02 of an inch. The crankshaft is straight. Going on. That's a win. Timing is set. The belt is tensioned. The timing is correct.
The engine is rebuilt. New internals, fresh bearings, rebuilt turbos, every seal and gasket replaced. This engine is better than new.
She's ready to go back in.
Engine rebuild complete. New rings, bearings, gasket, seals, timing belt, water pump, oil cooler, rebuilt turbos. Compression test passed. Engine ready for installation. Documented. Done.
Heart is ready. Now we give the rest of the car the same treatment. The engine is done. Now we fix the body. This is where the real work begins.
This is the accident damage. The aluminum is stretched. We're going to cut this out and weld in a new section.
The damaged section is coming out.
Section is clamped, ready for welding. TIG welding, argon purge. Let's do this.
The TIG arc strikes. A bright blue-white light fills the frame. Mac's gloved hand moves the torque.
The weld is done, it's clean. That's not going anywhere. That's a beautiful weld.
98% of viewers watch but don't subscribe. Be part of the 2%. Subscribe to Back 2 Road Garage.
Floor pans are solid, no perforation. The corrosion was just surface deep. We've removed it, sealed and protected.
Primer is going on. The new section is protected. The sill is ready for paint.
New section is ready. Same gauge, same grade. It's a perfect match. Good work, Thomas. That's exactly right.
The wheel arches are done. The salt corrosion is gone. They're sealed and protected.
The subframe is clean. The pitting is superficial. We'll seal it with epoxy primer. It'll be good as new.
Suspension arms are ready for paint. Zinc-rich primer is going on. This will protect them from the salt.
The seam sealant is going on. New aircraft grade sealant. Every seam gets sealed. Every joint gets protected. This is where we are, a bare shell. The car is stripped down to its bones. Now we rebuild her, piece by piece.
The shell is on the dolly. Ready for the paint booth.
The body is fixed. The shell is ready. Now she gets her color back.
Primer is dry, the surface is smooth, the body is ready for paint. Silver blue metallic, her original color.
The shell is clean. The primer is smooth. No imperfections. She's ready.
This is the moment. Silver blue metallic returns.
Sealer coat is going on. The primer is sealed. Sealer coat is going on. The primer is sealed. Clear coat is going on next. This is what gives her the depth, the gloss, the protection, the final layer, the finishing touch. The first pass is on. The color is coming back.
Silver blue metallic, Jaguar code JLM1244. This is the exact color that left the factory in 1991. This is the color she was born with.
Third pass, the base coat is complete, the color is back. Third pass, the base coat is complete, the color is back. Third clear coat, the clear is complete, the paint is done.
She's back. Silver blue metallic. She's back.
She's out of the booth. The paint is done.
The paint is perfect. Every panel is perfect. She's ready. Silver blue metallic is back. Paint protection film is going on. The critical areas are protected. The paint will stay perfect.
The final polish. The deep gloss.
The bake cycle is on. The clear is curing. This is where it sets, where the color becomes permanent.
She's beautiful. I've never seen a car come back like this. That's what we do. We bring them back.
%98 of viewers watch but don't subscribe. Be part of the 2%. Subscribe to Back 2 Road Garage.
Harness is ready. Every connector is replaced. Every wire is inspected.
The interior harness is going in. The dashboard will connect here.
Yeah.
This is where everything comes together. Main harness is going in. This is the nervous system. Every wire has a purpose.
Engine bay harness is in. Every sensor connector is in position. The engine will be connected correctly.
Fuse box is going in. Fresh fuses, new relays. Every circuit protected. The electrical system is coming to life.
All four wheels are on. The car is on the ground. She's back on her feet. The suspension is going on. The car will ride again. The suspension is complete.
The ECU is online. The engine management system is ready. All sensors are reading correctly.
The radiator is in. The cooling system is coming together. The engine will stay cool. The system is complete.
Battery voltage is 12.6 volts. The system is charged. The ground is good. The system is ready for the first test.
The relay is working. The circuit is ready. Now we test.
The nervous system is alive. The car is communicating. Now we give her the rest of her body back.
The glass is clean. The cabin is perfect. The car is ready for the road.
The center console is going in, the heart of the interior. The cabin is becoming complete.
Fuel pressure is low. The pump is priming, but it's not holding pressure. We've got a leak somewhere, or the pump is failing. There, the line is weeping. We need to tighten it.
We finally did it. She's beautiful.
Yeah.
All those hours paid off.
The silver blue really pops in this light.
From write-off to showstopper, the restoration is complete.
98% of viewers watch, but don't subscribe. Be part of the 2% tent. Subscribe to Back 2 Road Garage.